Hi guys, and thank you for watching this video. Just a quick heads up on what we're going to accomplish if you're going to watch these video series. Tuts on how to make a beautiful website. Here is the first one. It has a minimalistic style. This will be your website title on the left side. And on the right side will be your navigation menu. Then you have the feature post. Then a little summary on the right portion. You also have these three columns of your article summary. And then footer design. Now, let's proceed to the second design. Here it is. It's about the latest game, so I include the latest game images available. You have the logo on the left side, which consists of beautiful font. And on the right side, will be your navigation menu. And at the top of the navigation menu is your contact number being displayed, so that it will be noticeable for everyone. Then, you have this picture slide. I'm a fan of Final Fantasy, because I think it's cool. But, of course you can change this with your own design. Then, another title here. Then we have the 6 thumbnails for the latest games on left side. And on the right side is the GTA 5 beautiful girl. You can replace these images whatever you like. Or you can replace it with an ads. Then we have another title again. Then a short article. I used lorem ipsum for the texts. Then on the right side is the beautiful Miss Citri, one of my favorite hen game. Then lastly the footer design. This will be our final project by the end of these video series. But for now let's do a quick review on the basics, then we're going to build it step by step. Let's start. Hi folks, today we are going to discuss about HTML division and span elements. We know that HTML is all about applying meaning to content. Whereas most HTML tags apply meaning, P makes a paragraph, H1 makes a heading, etc., the span and div tags apply no meaning at all. This might sound about as useful as a foam hammer, but they are actually used quite extensively in conjunction with CSS. Let's start by creating the heading 1 first, and the visible text is, this is an example of div. Opening div and a closing div, then heading 2. Then a paragraph. London is the capital city of England. It is most populous city in the United Kingdom. Save the file and let's take a look at it in the browser. Of course, you cannot see the division that we created since we did not particularly specify the background color of our division. To solve this, let's apply a little CSS using inline style. But later on we will discuss CSS thoroughly. For now, let's just make it as simple as possible. Since we are applying the inline style to simplify things. By the way, an inline style may be used to apply a unique style for a single element. To use inline styles, add the style attribute to the relevant element. All we need to do is add or type style, equals. Quotation marks background minus color, colon, let's apply gray. Then semicolon, closing quotation marks. And that's it. The division will have the color of gray. Let's change it to light gray, to lighten things up. Save the file and let's take a look at it in the browser or refresh the browser. And there you go. The division is now visible. Let's just copy and paste the division to speed things up. And this time we will change it to light blue. So that we will know that this is the second division we created. Save the file and let's take a look at it in the browser. And there you go. The second division with light blue background. Let's add a little more style in our first division. Let's add span tag and a text color of red. So, type style, equals, quotation marks, color, semicolon, and the value of red to make the texts appear in red, closing quotation mark. Save the file and see it in the browser. And there it is. The text's in red color. Now let's also apply a little CSS in our second division. A style to color the texts to blue. Again. Save the file and let's take a look at it in the browser or refresh the browser. And the visible texts to be colored is the most populous city. Let's zoom in so that you will clearly see the changes that we applied. You can apply more division if you would like. Save the file and refresh the page. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on the next part of these series of video tutorials. And don't forget to share it to your friends, family, and everyone else, because I believe that information should be free for everyone, rich or poor. So, if you find this tutorial useful, feel free to leave a message in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel.